Almost every product is becoming smart as time passes, allowing us to attain the smart home we dream of. Similarly, smart speakers are no different, as there are a bunch of smart speakers available on the market, but among all, HomePod and Echo Dot are the most popular ones. Apple recently introduced its new HomePod 2nd Gen smart speaker with a slight improvement over its predecessor. Even though it's identical to the previous model, some notable improvements have been made. Likewise, the latest addition to the Echo Dot lineup by Amazon is the Echo Dot 5th generation, which is a slightly updated version of the previous one. Having any of these speakers can improve your music experience. In addition to being similar, both these speakers have also come up with some uniqueness of their own. So if you're in a dilemma about which one to get, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between the two of the best smart speakers, HomePod 2nd Gen and Echo Dot 5th Gen. If you talk about the design of these two smart speakers, they both look pretty cool. As for the HomePod 2.0, it's cylindrical in shape with a mesh fabric covering and a blacklist touch surface. On the other hand, with a sleek and modern design, Echo Dot has a compact size and a spherical shape. While the Echo Dot offers a variety of colors like charcoal, deep sea blue, and glacier white, the HomePod offers a new color option called Midnight along with the traditional white. This 2nd generation HomePod also comes with a color-matched woven power cable. Despite having a compact size, both speakers provide a wide soundstage and powerful audio. Both of them offer improved sound quality than the previous ones. Both the speakers allow you to play music, stream radio, podcast, and more. An upgraded processor powers the HomePod 2.0 for high-fidelity, sophisticated, and engaging sound. It also comes with a single high-excursion woofer, an internal bass EQ mic setup, and 5 tweeters that provide crystal-clear voice and precise instrument details. With computational audio innovation, it can maximize acoustic performance. With new room sensing technology, HomePod 2.0 can scan the environment and, according to the specific placement, optimize the sound for clearer audio. No matter where you are, it provides an incredible listening experience by surrounding you with immersive audio. Moreover, by connecting it to Apple TV 4K, you can get a complete cinematic home theater experience with immersive and vivid sound. On the contrary, with this new upgraded version, Echo Dot offers clearer vocals and deeper bass for a rich, vibrant sound. Moreover, the spherical shaper provides you with a dynamic audio experience in the home. The HomePod with its built-in Siri and Home app offers full control over your home. From controlling alarms, lights, blinds, and doors to asking for time, forecast, news, and schedules, anything can be done effortlessly. The built-in temperature and humidity sensor measures the indoor environment and allows you to create smart home automations such as turning on the AC, closing blinds, and more upon reaching a certain temperature. Similarly, the Echo Dot 5.0 also allows you to create routines for turning on fans and more with its built-in indoor temperature sensor. And you can also control compatible smart home devices over voice command with its built-in motion sensors. Along with seamlessly working with all your Apple devices and HomeKit accessories, it also supports Matter standards like other third-party accessories. On the other hand, Echo Dot is compatible with Echo devices even in different rooms, Fire TV, Eero Wi-Fi router, and more. In terms of price, there is a noticeable difference between the two speakers. In comparison with its previous generations, the new HomePod offers improved and additional features, making it worth the price. So if you want to have a cinematic experience sitting at home or have a speaker that can automatically adjust its sound according to the space, the HomePod 2 2nd generation is perfect for you. So that was all about the comparison between HomePod 2nd Gen versus Echo Dot 5th Gen. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.